Hello everyone, this is 31st of March and today was a Friday and I traded actually in all three indexes, but majority of the trades went into Finnifty because coming Tuesday is a holiday, so Monday will be the expiry for the, this this particular week. So what happened was it opened gap up, okay, and then it followed a range of close to 0.9%. That was, yeah, it's exactly 0.9%. And the best thing which happened, first let me talk about like best things, okay. Like the theta strategies, it started working like a charm from here till here, okay. And even when it started to go up, na, call was not gaining much, and put was equally compensating for whatever the gains were there in the calls, okay. So the main problem was the delta strategies, okay, like the call stop losses, and it was actually very choppy. So I thought that in the end also it will be like the same, or I had assumed that the market will go unidirectionally either up or down after, like, in second half. So exactly that happened, and like from 12:30 on, market went into a upside movement. Okay, so I made a PNL, a profit of 4,000 rupees today. Let me show you how my daily PNL graph looks. So till here, you can see that it was a sideways move. So I was continuously gaining because of theta decay. Now here in this region, there was a quick up move. Okay, so the trades need to adjust to that up move, and then in this region, my bullish positions, some of my bullish positions got removed, and bullish positions got added here. So you see this particular range, and let me show you where I got into some trouble. So this point is where I got a slippage of 10 points. So this dip, you see, this dip from 6,000 to 4,000 rupees. This is the point where I faced almost 10 to 15 rupees. I don't exactly remember, but it was like 10 to 15 rupees slippage here. But yeah, in the end, it was like, this whole PNL was in a trend line. I thankfully closed above the average line of 2,000 rupees. So it was a very good day actually. Like very less trouble was there in the market today. It was like semi-directional for half day, and then going directional in the other half. So today the dreadful quarter is finished. Okay, this quarter has given me 5% drawdown and all these things. Yeah, let's. So I had promised that I will show you my total journey of whatever strategy that I'm doing. So it has, like, I have started that in 9th of September, and today it's 31st of March. So it's almost 7 months. Okay, sorry. Yeah, it's almost 7 months, and I have finished 7 months, and I will show you that, but in a later videos. Like it will be coming on Sundays and all. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.